The 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, traction control, remote start, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, power windows, fog lights, side airbag, security system, CD player, power door locks, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.